Want a back that makes people do a double take? A back so strong and sculpted it screams power? You're in the right place. We're about to unlock your back's true potential with the ultimate workout routine. Get ready to sculpt a masterpiece. I'm talking about exercises that will have you feeling the burn and seeing results. We'll cover everything from classic pull-ups to the mighty deadlift, all designed to build a back that's as functional as it is impressive. So, are you ready to transform your back from average to absolutely ripped? Let's do this. Let's kick things off with a bang. Pull-ups. This exercise is a staple for a reason. It's a true test of upper body strength, working your back, biceps, and even your core. Grab that bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Now pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Feel the muscles in your back engage as you power through the movement. Lower yourself down with control. That's 1 rep. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on perfect form to maximize those gains. Next up, we're hitting the seated row machine. Rows are essential for building back thickness and width. There are many variations, but the key is to maintain proper form and engage those back muscles. Sit down, strap yourself in, and grab the handles. Keep your back straight, chest up, and core engaged. Pull the handles towards you, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. Feel the burn in your lats, traps, and rhomboids. Control the weight as you extend your arms back to the starting position. And there you have it, a perfect seated cable row. Get ready for the king of all back exercises, the deadlift. This exercise is a true testament to strength and power, and it's a staple in any serious lifter's routine. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, mastering the deadlift can take your fitness to the next level. This powerhouse move is not for the faint of heart. It demands focus, determination, and a willingness to push your limits. But don't let that intimidate you. With the right technique and mindset, anyone can conquer the deadlift. It's a compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including your back, legs, and core. When you perform a deadlift, you're engaging your glutes, hamstrings, quads, and even your forearms. It's a full-body workout that builds strength and muscle mass. But let me tell you, the results are worth every drop of sweat. Not only will you see improvements in your physical appearance, but you'll also notice increased functional strength. Everyday tasks will become easier, and you'll feel more powerful and capable. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, with the barbell over your midfoot. This stance provides a stable base and allows you to generate maximum power. Make sure your toes are pointing slightly outward to engage your hips. Bend down and grab the bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width. Your hands should be just outside your knees. This grip ensures that you have control over the bar and can lift it safely. Keep your back straight, chest up, and core engaged. This posture protects your spine and allows you to lift heavier weights without risking injury. Imagine you're squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades to keep your upper back tight. Drive through your heels, lifting the weight off the ground. As you lift, focus on pushing the floor away with your feet. This cue helps you engage your legs and hips, which are the primary movers in the deadlift. Stand tall, locking out your hips and knees. At the top of the lift, your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Squeeze your glutes and keep your core tight to maintain stability. Lower the weight back to the ground with control. Don't just drop the bar, use your muscles to guide it down. This eccentric phase is just as important as the lift itself, as it helps build strength and muscle. Boom! You've just completed a perfect deadlift. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be lifting heavier weights and reaping the benefits of this incredible exercise. Use shrugs for shoulder stability and power. Don't forget about those traps. Shrugs are a simple yet effective exercise for building shoulder stability and power. They also give your upper back that impressive, powerful look. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Keep your arms straight and relaxed. Now, shrug your shoulders straight up towards your ears. Hold the contraction for a moment, feeling the tension in your traps. Slowly lower your shoulders back down to the starting position. Control the movement throughout. Back extensions, targeting your lower back. A strong back isn't just about those upper muscles. While the upper back often gets a lot of attention, it's crucial to remember that the lower back plays an equally important role in overall back health and strength. We need to give some love to the lower back as well. Neglecting this area can lead to imbalances and potential injuries. A well-rounded back workout should always include exercises that target the lower back. Back extensions are excellent for strengthening your erector spinae muscles, which play a crucial role in supporting your spine. These muscles run along your spine and are essential for maintaining good posture and preventing back pain. Lie face down on a back extension machine, securing your feet under the pads. Make sure your hips are positioned comfortably on the pad, allowing for a full range of motion. Cross your arms over your chest or behind your head. This positioning helps to engage your core and back muscles more effectively during the exercise. Lower your upper body down towards the floor, feeling a stretch in your lower back. It's important to move slowly and with control to avoid any sudden jerks that could strain your muscles. Engage your core and back muscles to lift your upper body back up until your body forms a straight line. Focus on squeezing your glutes and keeping your movements smooth and controlled. This will ensure that you are effectively targeting the lower back muscles without putting unnecessary strain on your spine. Perform multiple repetitions, aiming for 10 to 15 reps per set. Take short rests between sets to allow your muscles to recover. Consistency is key, so incorporate back extensions into your regular workout routine. Remember to maintain proper form throughout the exercise. Avoid overextending your back at the top of the movement, as this can lead to injury. Instead, focus on controlled, deliberate movements that engage your lower back muscles effectively. After completing your sets, take time to cool down and stretch your lower back. This helps to prevent stiffness and promotes flexibility, ensuring that your lower back remains strong and healthy. By regularly incorporating back extensions into your fitness routine, you'll build a stronger, more resilient lower back. This not only enhances your overall back strength, but also contributes to better posture and reduced risk of back pain. Keep track of your progress and stay committed to your fitness goals. So, next time you're at the gym, don't forget to give your lower back the attention it deserves. With proper technique and consistency, you'll see significant improvements in your back strength and overall fitness. Remember, a strong back is a healthy back. Keep pushing yourself, stay dedicated, and enjoy the benefits of a well-rounded fitness routine. The importance of proper form. Remember, proper form is paramount. It's not about lifting the heaviest weight possible. It's about performing each exercise correctly to maximize muscle activation and prevent injuries. Focus on quality over quantity, and don't be afraid to start with lighter weights until you've mastered the technique. Engage your core throughout each exercise to protect your spine. Control the weight both during the lifting and lowering phases. If you feel any pain, stop immediately and adjust your form or weight. So there you have it, a glimpse into the ultimate back workout routine. But we're just scratching the surface here. There's so much more to explore, from variations of these exercises to advanced training techniques that will take your back gains to the next level. Remember, building a strong, sculpted back takes time, dedication, and the right knowledge. But trust me, the results are worth the effort. Now get out there, hit the gym, and unlock your back's true potential. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Links to some of our other videos can be found in the description. From all of us here at Dyadic Fitness, we thank you for watching the video. Please be sure to drop us a comment and let us know what content you would like to see in the future on our channel.